Hey all, have you heard about this new app called Threads launched by the Instagram team? Threads is a new application developed by the Instagram team focused on sharing with text while also allowing users to share photos and videos. It aims to create a positive and creative space for expressing ideas similar to Twitter's format. So in Threads, you can follow other users just like in other social media apps. Additionally, you have the ability to follow public conversations and post your own content. So, the social feed in Threads displays posts from people you follow along with recommended content from other creators, ensuring you stay connected and engaged. In Threads, posts can be up to 500 characters long and can include links, photos, and videos up to 5 minutes in length. So, to get started with Threads, you need to have an Instagram account and be logged in into the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. So, let's get started. Download Threads from your App Store or access it through your Instagram account. To do this, go to your profile page and click on the three lines located on the top right corner. So, from there, you will see the thread options. Click on Threads and you will be directed to a screen where you can select Get Threads. So now download Threads directly from the App Store or Play Store depending on whether you have an iPhone or Android device. So once you have downloaded and installed Threads, follow these steps. Open the app and you will see an option to log in with your Instagram account. So your existing Instagram accounts will be displayed and you can choose the one you want to log in with. You will be then taken to your Threads login profile. So optionally, you can add your bio and links or import details from your Instagram account. You can also skip this step if you prefer. Next, you will be asked about your privacy settings. Choose whether you want to have a private or a public account. So after making your selection, click continue. The next step is to follow accounts. You have the option to follow accounts individually or follow all the accounts. If you want, you can also skip this step for now. After this, you will be provided with instructions that helps you to navigate through threads. So on reading this, select join threads to proceed. So now you are on the home page. Here you can scroll down to refresh the page and view different posts. So these posts can be from people you follow or suggested post. You can also search for and follow different people by clicking on the search icon. So to follow someone, simply search for the username and click on it. So when you click here, it is where you can compose your own thread. So this is the space where you can type up to 500 characters long and post it. In activity, you will find your notifications where you can see all your activities such as follow request, reply for threads, mentions in threads, verified, etc. So they will appear in this section. Next is your profile page where you can view your post and replies. So currently I don't have any post yet, but they will show up in this section. So you can also edit your profile from this page. Additionally, you have more options for settings located up here. So if you want to modify your privacy or any other account settings, you can access them from this section. Now let's see how to interact with the post. I'm going to search for Instagram, the company that created this app. So from their profile page, I can click on follow to start following them, or if I'm already following them, I can click on unfollow. So it's a straightforward option. So with any post, I can press like to show my appreciation and I can also comment on it. So there is another option which allows me to repost the post on my own profile or even quote it. Additionally, there is an option to share it, like I can add it to my story, post to my feed. So they have integrated Instagram features into threads as well. So this option takes me to Instagram. Here I can also copy the link and also share via other options like WhatsApp and others. So moreover, I have privacy options available for each user where I can choose to follow, unfollow, mute or hide them. Now let me show you how to compose your own post. You can simply start typing in this text field, and once you are done, you can press post to share it. So additionally, you have the option right here to add photos, videos. So by selecting the photos that you want to upload from your gallery, by giving access to your photos. So then you can post something with the added photos by pressing post over here. Here others can reply to your post as well. So let me go and press post. It's now posting. So if I go to my profile page, I should see my very first post here. So anyone can press like, leave comments or even reshare or repost it. So they can also share it from the share icon. You can also share videos in the same way. If you want to share a video, you can simply post it just like this. Here you can also tag people in your post by using the @mention sign here. So you can mention different accounts. So this is a common feature in various social media platforms. Additionally, you have the option to change the reply settings. So by default, anyone can reply, but you can modify it to allow only people who follow you to reply or only those you mention. So you can choose this option before posting on your profile page. Furthermore, there is a globe icon right here that represents your privacy options. So by default, anyone can tag you, but you can change it to profiles you follow, or even you can restrict it to no one being able to mention you. So there are other privacy options available as well, such as adding hidden words that won't appear on your account, and any profiles you block will be listed in this section on your profile page. So this is all about threads. So give threads a try and embark on a journey of expression and engagement. Happy sharing.